Troops, good morning. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merch, Sunsilk Tube, and Sunsilk Sachet Shampoo. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Sunsilk Co-Creation Shoot and Manageable Shampoo, Smooth and Fragrant Hair. Unilever po siya, 180 ml. Meron din tayong ganun din, Sunsilk Smooth and Manageable Shampoo, 350 ml. Meron din tayong Sunsilk Strong and Long Shampoo, Active Infusion, 180 ml, 180 ml. Meron din tayong Sunsilk Damage Destruction Shampoo, Active Infusion, new, 180 ml po din siya. Then, meron din tayong Sunsilk Natural Sakura and Raspberry Radiant Shampoo, 170 ml. Meron din tayong sa sachet, meron tayong buy 11 get 1 free. Sunsilk Correlation Shampoo. Yan. Meron din tayong Sunsilk Correlation Shampoo din, 50 ml, 50% more. Smooth and manageable, up to 5 times smoother fragrant hair. Yan. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit sa small stores, sa mall stores, grocery stores, or sa tindahan. Then meron din tayong Sunsilk Co-Creation Shampoo, 15 ml, 50% more, strong and long. Then meron din tayong Sunsilk Shampoo Sachet, 20% more watermelon freshness. Yan. $11 ml po siya. Then, meron din tayong Sunsilk Shampoo, 20% more, Sakura and Raspberry Radiance, with Sakura and Raspberry for fresh and radiant hair. $11 ml po siya. Yan. Then, meron din tayong Sunsilk Sachet Sunsilk Natural Shampoo, 20% more cocoa nut hydration with coconut water and for hydrated and shiny hair. $11 ml po siya. Yan. That is for Unilever Company merch videos today. Review natin ang mga Unilever Company merch, Sunsilk Sachet and tube container. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit small stores, sa mga mall stores, grocery stores. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Subscribe and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. Thank you.